Guoxin Machinery Factory, General Partnership, is located in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province. It is a comprehensive enterprise integrating product development, manufacturing, and sales service. The main products including fruit and vegetable drying processing line, heat pump drying oven, microwave drying machine, potato chips and French fries making line, and other related equipments. Our company has passed the CE certificate. In addition, our products have obtained 3 patent certificates. With the development, cooperate, and exploration with domestic and foreign customers of the company in recent years, we have accumulated rich practical experience and key data in drying industry. We have achieved remarkable results in the deep processing of fruits and vegetables, food processing, and deep processing of medicinal materials. It has created tremendous economic and social benefits for society. We have gained a global sales network, reaching North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, the Middle East. Our company regards reasonable prices, efficient production, and professional service. In order to ensure the quality of our products, all of our products will be inspected before leaving the factory, and the equipment will be operated for more than 24 hours. After ensuring the quality of the products, we will ship the equipment to the customers. Therefore, the equipment has high reputation from customers. We hope to cooperate with more customers for mutual development and benefits. Warmly welcome customers to establish long-term business relationships with us and get mutual development.